In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a valid will in minutes. Hi, I'm Pam from LawMother, an estate planning lawyer who helps parents create generational wealth. I've been a lawyer for 14 years, and there are some people who say you should only work with a lawyer to make a will, and there are some that will never work with a lawyer and will always do it themselves. Let me know in the comments where you stand. If you follow me on social media, you know I share a lot about the advantages of setting up a trust and working with a lawyer to set up a trust. So why am I creating this video about how to create a handwritten will in minutes? Well, I know there are many people out there who are about to have surgery or they're about to go on an international trip, and it really stresses them out that they have nothing in place. They keep putting it off and they just want to create something quickly. So I wanted to create this video to walk you through this simply and easily. I live in the state of Colorado that allows holographic wills, also known as handwritten wills. You want to confirm that your state allows holographic wills. So let's start the timer and let's write a will together. I, Jane Doe, declare this to be my last will and testament. I formally revoke any and all prior wills and codicils. And in this hypothetical, Jane Doe is married to John Doe and she has 2 adult children. She just wants to leave everything to her husband, and then if they are not alive, she wants to leave it to her kids. So I leave my estate encompassing real and personal property of all types to my husband, John Doe. If John Doe predeceases me, which means passes away before me, I leave all of my estate to my children, Jack Doe and Jill Doe, in equal portions. If a child predeceases me, I leave their share to their children in equal portions. I name my husband, John Doe, as executor. What that means is I want him to be in charge of distributing everything when I pass away. If John Doe cannot serve, I name Jill Doe as executor, and Jill Doe is my daughter. My executor may act as an independent executor and shall serve without bond. And then I just sign it at the bottom, Jane Doe. I did it. I wrote a valid will in just a few minutes. This example was for a very specific circumstance, and this is a very limited will, meaning it doesn't minimize taxes, this will doesn't avoid probate, this will doesn't handle incapacity. So even when we are drafting simple wills at our firm, the version we put together is closer to 15 pages. This is an illustrative example and is not a substitute for you working with a lawyer who understands your specific needs. So when should someone do this themselves, and when should someone work with a lawyer to set up a will? If you have assets or people you want to protect, chances are you're going to get more value setting up a full estate plan and working with a lawyer to do that. For example, if you have minor children, special needs children, you own real estate, you own a business, you want to avoid probate, you want to minimize taxes, and/or you want asset protection. Putting together a full estate plan with a lawyer licensed in your state is going to be very valuable. Now, I know many of you will never work with a lawyer and you found these online websites, but you find the websites super confusing. Well, my team and I are working to develop some tools to support you. This will include videos, templates, and easy checklists, and go through a lot of different scenarios, likely a software option. Let me know if this type of resource would be helpful for you in the comments below and anything you'd like to see in it.